There is a very important saying in the markets that history does not repeat, but it often rhymes. And guys, if you look at history, what we have seen is that money flows into meme coins and then it flows into different chains, different narratives across multiple other meme coins. And if that is true, guys, then this video is going to be very helpful for you all because I'm going to be decoding all these meme coins from different chains. I have 5 different chains from where I have picked up a handful of meme coins which I think could be doing pretty well in the next coming few weeks as well as days. So if that is the type of content you enjoy, then make sure guys that you drop a like and also hit the subscribe button. And now guys, let's get right into it. So guys, welcome back and thanks for joining in yet again. Right now we are witnessing some sort of a bounce in the markets. Bitcoin is also witnessing some sort of a bounce, which you can see right around here. This is Ethereum, by the way. We have a finished structure on this one and potentially we should be looking for higher prices, but confirmation is only when we take out these highs right here and then we look for another move above $3,300. And if I talk about Bitcoin, guys, then basically nothing much has changed and I'm still expecting some sort of a chop. Either we are already in an A, B, C, D, E triangle and then we go up and then down and then higher again, or we are still forming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a triangle again, right? A, B, C, D, E. And basically guys, most of these patterns are only indicating me that we are going to be chopping around for quite a while. Only 2 scenarios according to Elliott Waves basically say that we are going to be breaking out above all-time highs, but then those scenarios also guys mean that we are looking for lower prices before we go higher. So guys, if I give you a gist, then basically we're not looking bearish enough to be taking out the 100k low with a very strong move towards the downside. Also guys, we are not looking for a move above the all-time highs with a strong breakout. So that would mean this particular week might just be a consolidating week, and that would give altcoins as well as meme coins a little space to run. And that is exactly what we are going to be discussing in this video. In the past, guys, we have seen multiple times that liquidity flows into Solana meme coins, Ethereum meme coins, and then we always get these small multi-chain seasons. All right, so money flows into BNB, we call it BNB season, and then, Tron season, base season, and all of that stuff. Right now, if I talk about one particular season that I'm really bullish on and which could basically extend for a longer period of time instead of just being a phase in the markets, is going to be base meme coins. And that is what I am currently positioning myself in. And guys, in this video, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be dividing 2 different sectors on all chains. All right, so one category is going to be of the meme coins which have shown significant strength in the recent few weeks, and other category is going to be the ones where there is a high probability that we are going to be seeing a bounce, but right now they look pretty dead. So let's get right into it, guys. So guys, the first meme is going to be on base and it is 𝗕𝗘𝗪. Now this meme actually transitioned into an AI agent, and when that happened, we actually saw a very big move right around here. From this point at $54 million market cap, we went all the way to around $1 billion market cap within a matter of just few days. Now right now guys, we have basically retraced all of the gains that we saw during this news, and now price is trying to create a higher low structure right around here. Higher low, higher low, higher low, and higher low right here as well. So potentially we are looking for higher prices on this one. If you ask me about some important zones of resistance and support, because that is the most important thing in my opinion. If you watch my videos, that is one thing that not a lot of people share with you all. They give you the meme coins, but they don't tell you where you should be buying them and where you should be selling them, right? So the first level that I would like to mark off on this chart is going to be right around here. This is a very strong zone of support. This is also a support resistance flip, previously resistance right around here. And if you see, even the current prices where we are currently getting some support is also a strong zone of support resistance flip. This was resistance earlier on, right here you can see. All right, and this is currently sitting at $223 million market cap. So I would not expect this to be doing 100x from here in any scenario, because then it would be sitting at $22 billion market cap. So if you're not looking for a whole lot of gains, but you want to be positioning yourself in a meme coin on base, which is rather safe, I would say, is going to be 𝗕𝗘𝗪 in my opinion instead of 𝗕𝗓. So if I was in your place, just my personal opinion, guys, I would be converting all of my 𝗕𝗓 if I was holding 𝗕𝗓, and I would be buying 𝗕𝗘𝗪 with it instead of holding 𝗕𝗓. All right. Again, guys, this is just my personal opinion. I don't like Brett. I like Toshi. So definitely, I'm going to be sticking with Toshi. All right. Moving on to the next one, guys, I have 𝗕𝗘𝗪. Now, this one is also following a very nice structure towards the upside. We have consistently higher lows, one after the other, as you can see right around here, and potentially once we break out above this resistance, because this acted as a strong zone of resistance right here as well, and even in this region as well. So this region is coming around $70 million. Once we break past it and confirm support above it, that would be a very good signal in my opinion. And 𝗕𝗘𝗪 is an OG meme coin on base, and it has been doing very well ever since I have started to talk about it on the previous channel as well. I think this can really start to explode towards the upside, and 300, 400, $500 million market cap is not going to be much of a big deal if you ask me about 𝗕𝗘𝗪. Currently sitting at $38.7 million market cap, absolutely at support. Either you buy here or you wait for a breakout and a retest right around here. But guys, with these type of meme coins, you really do not know how much they can pump in just one single day. So it's much better to be positioning yourself at the lower end of the range wherever they are basically trading before the big move happens. All right. So that is why I would suggest that 𝗕𝗘𝗪 is going to be one of my highest conviction plays on base apart from Toshi. And now, guys, moving on to the next one, we have 𝗕𝗙𝗪𝗓. Now, this is similar to what 𝗕𝗘𝗪 is. Right here, you can see. And in the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗓 meme coin, a cat is playing a keyboard, while in 𝗕𝗙𝗪𝗓, we have a dog playing the synthesizer. So again, similar meta, but again, this chart is much different from what we have on 𝗕𝗘𝗪. And this doesn't look as good as 𝗕𝗘𝗪 in my opinion. Definitely currently sitting at just $406,000 market cap, guys. This can really start to explode. And this is that second category of meme coins, which I mentioned in the beginning, that, this coin has not yet shown me significant strength. And I really do not have a very strong conviction around this one. So let's just quickly check their Twitter profile as well and see what they are up to recently. So right here you can see they have a post just 2 hours ago. It's Monday, let's make some base noise. So again, they have been pretty active despite price plummeting towards the downside. So I would say that if you want to make an asymmetric bet on a base meme coin, synthesizer dog, 𝗕𝗙𝗪𝗓, could be that hidden gem in my opinion. Currently at just $406,000 market cap, guys. It is dirt cheap in my opinion. If it goes up, it goes up big. And if it goes down, then you can basically see it's not very far away from, where it has traded at the lowest point in its journey. That was sitting at $330,000 market cap, right now 406. So potentially this one is also looking good to me. But again, if you wait for a confirmation and to get more confluence, then what you should be doing is basically, this is your zone of resistance right here at $1.32 million market cap. Once you break past it and we confirm support in this region, that is your signal to be getting into 𝗕𝗙𝗪𝗓 if you are that confirmation trader. For me, it is much more important that I can position myself at the absolute lowest point in the chart if I have conviction that this meme coin could actually perform pretty well in the future. And again, guys, with 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗓, if 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗓 actually goes up, 𝗕𝗙𝗪𝗓 is going to follow in my opinion for sure. Right, there's another one which is called 𝗕𝗓𝗪 on base. I don't want to show you the chart because that is a cabal play and I usually do not support cabal charts or cabal meme coins, but that is also sitting at almost an absolute lowest price point. And just recently we have started to see some activity happening on 𝗕𝗓𝗪 on base as well. So if you wish, you can check that one out. And now, guys, moving on to the next chain, I have 𝗬𝗐 on BNB. Now, guys, if you talk about BNB chain, it is the OG chain from where meme coins actually started to emerge in the first place, even before they came on Solana. All right, I think meme coins on BNB are still going to be a thing in this cycle, and that is why we have plenty more meme coins on BNB compared to other chains like the ones that I'm going to be talking about after BNB, and you will know if you watch the entire video. But at the same time, guys, because of the fact that we have a lot of meme coins on BNB, I have decided to stick with one meme coin bet on BNB, and that is going to be 𝗬𝗐 on BNB for me. I shared this call in the diligence channel right around here in the beginning, and we have got a very nice move towards the upside to $4 million market cap. Right now, price has retraced all the way down to the 0.886 and the 0.786 Fibonacci levels, currently finding support in the same region as you can see right around here. And once we break past the 0.382, that is the resistance for the time being, $2.6 million market cap. Once we break past that, I think this can really start to explode. Now, guys, why do I really have so much conviction on 𝗬𝗐 on BNB? The reason is Andy is a boys club character. And guys, Andy is a yellow character from the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗧. And generally guys, if the color of the character is similar to the color of the chain, they usually tend to do really well. Now the largest Andy coin, Andy meme coin right now is on Ethereum, which is blue, right? But Andy is yellow. So I naturally started to shift my bias towards Andy on BNB. And that is why I have conviction that, this might really run, because we have seen Brett on base where, both of the chain and the character are blue. And Ethereum already has the largest 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗧 character, which is 𝗕𝗘 itself, right? Even though it is green, but again, guys, it has already established itself so much that, I don't see any other Mad Fury character getting same establishment as 𝗕𝗘 has on ETH. All right, so that is why I really think that Andy on BNB could be a big play. I was a big supporter of Andy on Blast as well, because again, Blast was the yellow chain, but I was wrong there. So I think this time I might be right. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm also trying to do what I do best, and that is speculation. All right, I do speculate on the basis of market trends. I do my technical analysis, I research, I see what the wallet holders are doing behind the scenes, how much funds they are rotating from one meme coin to another. And these are the things that, matter the most if you are basically trenching in the DeFi space. All right. So again, Andy on BNB, the only play that I'm going to be sharing from BNB is going to be Andy. All right, now guys, moving on to the next chain, and potentially this could be the best play that I'm sharing in this entire video. This is 𝗏𝗏 on Abstract, and Abstract is the chain by Pudgy Penguin's founders, and the Pengu token is indeed the largest one from Abstract chain. But after that, I believe that 𝗏𝗏 is the only meme coin which could be getting the most traction on Abstract chain. Now guys, Abstract TGE is going to happen in Q3, late Q3, or maybe in the beginning of Q4 this year. Before that happens, I think a lot of meme coins will have found its place on Abstract. And if you have not yet watched my Abstract chain meme coin video, then make sure that you watch that video, guys. It is alpha packed as well. And I've shared most of the meme coins that I like from Abstract chain, one being definitely 𝗏𝗏. And if you look at the chart, guys, this is the most bullish meme coin chart I have seen in the recent few days and weeks. And as you can see right around here, we are in some sort of a triangle formation. We have a nice leg up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is your wave 2, I would say. But again, Elliott waves do not really play out perfectly on meme coins. But still, because it is in my genes now, I try to look at everything in terms of waves and structures and, patterns and all that stuff. So right now we have a little bit of a triangle. You can see we have your wave A, a B, a C, a D, and potentially this is where, right around here is where you are going to form your potential bottom, and then you are going to be shooting towards the upside for 𝗏𝗏, in my opinion. Currently sitting at just $15.44 million market cap. Probabilities are very low, in my opinion, that we are going to be breaking down, coming back into this region. There are a lot of big players behind this one, a lot of big whales as well. So again, 𝗏𝗏 is going to be my highest conviction play from this entire video, in my opinion, considering the current market cap that it carries with it, which is just $15.4 million. All right, moving on to the next one from Abstract chain is going to be 𝗏𝗏𝗪𝗏's dog, which is Bandit. And 𝗏𝗏𝗪𝗏s is basically the founder of Abstract chain. So again, this is like Mayro of Solana. Right now, it is sitting at just $1.56 million market cap, which is also very close to the 0.618 Fibonacci level, usually, which is a very strong zone of support. As you can see right around here, this is where price bounced in the past as well. But right now, if we break below this level, then I would be very much keen to grab a bag in this region right here. I already have a bag from around these levels, around $2 million market cap, I guess, and currently sitting at 1.5 million. So I'm not DCAing right here, but I will DCA if price comes back into this region between 473 and $860,000 market cap. Again, guys, this is as early as you can be on Abstract chain meme coins. And I'm telling you guys, Abstract chain meme coins are going to be one of the biggest narratives later on in this cycle. Right now, you're getting a chance to position yourself at the right time into the right place for dirt cheap prices. Again, not financial advice, guys, but this is my conviction on Abstract chain. The way I look at Abstract chain is that the Abstract chain is indeed the chain for meme coins. It's not Solana, guys. Abstract is cheaper than Solana. It is much more user friendly than Solana, and the entire interface that they have, once you get into the Abstract ecosystem, you are going to love it in my opinion. All right. And finally guys, the last play that I like from Abstract chain is going to be 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗓𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓. The ticker is Dream, currently sitting at $309,000 market cap. I believe that we can bounce off from this region right here, where we are basically consolidating for quite some time now. It has been more than 2 weeks since we have been consolidating in this range between $280,000 and $351,000 market cap. Guys, this is clear accumulation in my opinion. Just in case we break below this level, then my next zone of interest is going to come around right here between $121K and $210,000. This is the only meme coin apart from 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗓𝗪 and Bandit that I am currently positioned in on Abstract chain. There are other ones as well, but if you ask me that you want just one play below $500,000 market cap on Abstract chain, I would say 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗪𝗓𝗪𝗓 could be that play. Again guys, my conviction, my prediction, my speculation, it's not necessary everything is going to play out exactly the way that I'm hoping that they do. But again guys, this is not financial advice. So you do you, and you do your own research around these projects. It's very, very important guys. Do not come after me if these guys basically, start to roll back towards the downside. This is what I am personally doing, and I'm sharing it with you all. And trust me guys, this is much more valuable than anything else that you see. The rest is up to you. But again, if you are willing guys, that you want each and every play that I get into, and whenever I exit as well, I mention it in the diligence channel. So make sure that you check out the link in the description section below and join diligence. This is where I'm sharing all of my meme coin plays, all of my on-chain plays with limit buy, limit sell orders given right in the beginning itself on multiple chains: Solana, BNB, Base, Tron, Ton, Abstract, HyperEVM as well, which I'm going to get into in just a moment. Guys, the value that you're going to get inside the diligence channel is one-off, I'm telling you, but that is up to you. If you want to join, you can join. The link is given in the description section below. Now moving on to the next play, and I should say a new chain as well. That is going to be HyperEVM, and I've again created another video on HyperEVM meme coins, how to trade meme coins on HyperEVM as well. Make sure that you check those videos out. It is going to be very helpful for each and everyone out there. Guys, if you have watched those videos when I shared them on the channel itself, you would be already sitting on massive gains, I'm telling you. But again, you guys don't watch all the videos, right? Anyway, so moving on right here, this is Wholly Liquid, the #1 meme coin in my opinion on Hyperliquid right now, holding pretty well as well. We have a clear breakout, but we don't have volume coming in, so I'm waiting for volume. Then this could be a nice breakout trade in my personal opinion. I basically shared this in the diligence channel right around here at $1.4 million market cap. It went all the way to around 9.22 million, which was a 6.3x for all the diligence members. Right now we are sitting at $3.67 million market cap, and my next target, if I give you the target as well, is going to be right around here. Let me just quickly plot it for you all. So my next zone of target is sitting around 13.3 million and $16.78 million. That is still a big move towards the upside from the current prices. All right. And if you have been in the diligence channel guys, then you must have already been in Hypersphere. This one was also shared on the YouTube channel itself for absolutely free. So that is why I was saying guys, if you watch my videos, you are getting some killer alpha. I shared this in the diligence channel right around here at $119,000 market cap. It recently touched 1.73 million, and again we are now getting into the next leg towards the upside. Potentially we are going to be taking out these highs. These guys were just a bubble map replacement for HyperEVM tokens. Now they have transformed into a launchpad. It's called spheres.fun. If all these things go correctly guys, this could easily go even a 50x from the current price of $1 million market cap, which would mean a $50 million market cap. And from our entry at $119,000, from where I have not sold a single cent, by the way, guys, that is going to be a big move. You have to understand what type of moves we are talking about here if you are in the diligence channel, or even if you are subscribed to the YouTube channel here, because I shared this on YouTube itself for absolutely free when we were somewhere around here, I guess, or maybe somewhere around here. before this entire move happens. This move happens, all right, well before we started to roll towards the upside in this move right here. So I shared it right around here, and at that time I think it was around $100,000 market cap or something like that, and I shared it on YouTube. Go ahead and watch those videos as well. All right, apart from that, guys, I like another meme coin which I again shared in the Diligence channel, because I don't know, guys, I share all these plays in the Diligence channel. This was the entry right around here for 𝗕𝗪𝗠, and then we saw a very nice move later on, which was more than a 7.8x, went all the way to around $11 million market cap. Right now, price has retraced all the way back down right here, which was crazy cheap for 𝗕𝗪𝗠, $692,000 market cap. Now we have started to revive back up. I don't know if this will basically run quite a lot or if this is actually done. So I still have a bag, but I'm holding a free bag, so I would not recommend you to buy. But again, you can do research around this one and see if, you know, we break past these highs right here, your previous zone of resistance around a $3.8 million market cap. If we can break this structure, then we are basically getting into a bullish structure, creating higher highs and higher lows. So that could be a play, in my opinion, 𝗕𝗪𝗠 for sure. And also, guys, another play that I want to mention is going to be 𝗖𝗙𝗪𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦, which is right around here. This one was also shared on the YouTube channel right around here at around $60,000 market cap or something like that. Then it went all the way to $3.79 million. And now it is practically, I would say, it is dead. But again, this might come back, so you can keep it on your radar as well. If you wish, you can keep it in your watch list. I still have a position in this one, and I still think that this can really do well if we get a little bit of traction back into the hyper EVM ecosystem, which I think is definitely going to happen. We have a breakout right here. Let me just quickly check the volume, what's going on. All right, so yeah, again, we need volume in these type of plays for building our conviction. So once we get some volume, this can actually do pretty well. I think it is a funny meme coin liquid asset called 𝗖𝗪𝗪𝗠𝗪, goes along the fartcoin narrative, sitting at $274,000 market cap. So you can check this one out if you wish. Again, I'm not recommending you to buy these meme coins, guys. Some of them are very cheap in market cap, which would mean that, you know, they can actually go to zero or they can go to multi-millions. So it's a very difficult situation for me to be recommending you to get into these plays, because they do sound like gambles. All right, so make sure that you do your own research around these meme coins that I've shared. I've already told you where I have stronger conviction and where I feel that, you know, you should be buying those. So again, this is going to be completely your choice. And now, guys, moving on to the last chain for this video, but not the last meme coin indeed. And definitely do not buy this one. This is Tron Bull on Tron. Now, before I get into Tron Bull or the Tron ecosystem, let me just share a post that I did on Hybrid Whale's X profile back in September 2024 about Bull on Tron. Now, guys, first off, Bull on Tron was one meme coin which was deployed or basically partnered with Crash. Crash is the same guy behind 𝗕𝗓, and the reason why I don't like 𝗕𝗓 is because Crash is behind it, and I really don't like Crash. It's simple as that. He might be doing pretty well in his life with all of the meme coin plays that he has given, but again, I don't think he is helping you out with these meme coin plays. So he shared Bull on Tron and he said that, you know, it is going to multi-billion-dollar market cap and all of that stuff. That is why we saw this big move towards the upside in just 4 hours. All right, this was just one 4-hour candle and it touched almost above $330 million market cap within a few hours. All right, then price basically plummeted and he was shilling all over in this region, and price was sitting at $107 million market cap at that time. I clearly said Bull on Tron looks so bullish, ? Meh, I don't think so. All right, and I was focused much more on T-Bull on Tron, which was the OG bull mascot meme coin on Tron. So now let's just check the prices of both. It has been more than 9 months now, and this is what has happened with Crash's meme coin, which is Tron Bull, now sitting at $6 million market cap. I said do not buy this at $107 million market cap, guys. And again, if you like cabal plays, then this could be the best bet, in my opinion, on Tron right now. But I still will not be looking into Tron Bull or Bull on Tron. I know, guys, this can go all the way to $1 billion market cap from 6 million, but the people who would be making the most money if it actually goes from 6 million to $1 billion are not going to be the right people. And that is why I don't want to be a part of something like that. All right. Now coming on to the chart for 𝗕𝗪𝗪, the one that I basically endorsed quite a lot at that time. Let me just quickly go back to the post right here. So this post was done on September 11th at $1.61 million market cap at that time. And let me just quickly go back to the chart right here. September 11th. Let's see what happened after. I did say that, instead of buying bull at $107 million market cap, you should be getting into 𝗕𝗪𝗪. All right. So 11 September is going to be right around here. Right. All right. This is the candle where I talked about it, 1.7 million. And after that, price actually went all the way to $30 million market cap, which was more than a 16x on 𝗕𝗪𝗪. All right. Now price is back down, but it is still above the entry that I gave right here. All right. Now you can decide who you follow. You can decide which plays you get into. But you have to also see what these guys have done in the past and what we have done in the past. Have we helped the people? That is the biggest question that I ask myself if I am sharing these videos every day on YouTube. If I'm not helping people out, then guys, there is no point of me creating these videos every single day and, wasting my time. So right here it is in front of you. If you see a Tron season, I think 𝗕𝗪𝗪 is going to be still a really good bet. The strongest zone of support right now for this chart is sitting between $1.37 million and $3.46 million. And if you ask me about other meme coins on Tron, then definitely guys, the best bet is going to be Sundog. This is the OG meme coin on Tron, which started the entire Tron season back in the day, back in September last year, right? Now this one is sitting at $62 million market cap. It touched around $370 million market cap back in September, and it also had a very big wick all the way to $1 billion market cap, which was crazy that day. And if you have been in the trenches since then guys, you are old like me, right? A lot has happened in the trenches so far in the last few months that, when you go back to these meme coins that I'm sharing today with you all, it really feels like, you're getting back into the OG meme coins, right? So right here, you can see $62 million market cap, and price is basically consolidating between my strong zones of support, the 886 and the 786 Fibonacci levels, $42 million and $80 million market cap. This is your zone of consolidation for this one. And guys, if you don't know, why am I suddenly talking about Tron season or, Tron meme coins? Because literally nobody is talking about Tron meme coins. Guys, the reason behind it is this news that we got today. Tron or TRX plans to go public and form a MicroStrategy type company with Eric Trump. This is what happened today. All right. So this could be a very, very big factor if this is, going to play out, which of course I think, is going to play out because you can see the news right here in front of you. If that plays out, guys, then definitely you are going to be getting at least a mini Tron season for these meme coins for sure. All right. So Sundog and 𝗕𝗪𝗪, these are going to be my biggest bets. Apart from that, again, you can get into the beta plays, which is going to be Suncat, and then you can check out the other plays on Tron. If you are going to get into, the red Paperverse character on Tron, because Tron is red chain, then definitely you can look at FOFAR as well, which is looking good. If you wish, you can check that one out, but I think it is very low market cap, so I'm not going to be sharing it right here, and I'm not going to be showing you the chart indeed. All right. So basically, guys, that is all from this video. If you want access to my plays and everything that I buy in real time, then make sure that you check out the diligence channel. The link is given in the description section below. If you are interested to trade futures on Bitcoin as well as altcoins and get my Bitcoin technical analysis updates according to Elliott waves, then make sure that you join Hybrid Whales Premium. And then guys, if you are willing to establish a strong spot portfolio for the upcoming altcoin season, then check out the 100x program. Right now we have a massive discount on the combo as well, where you get all 3 channels for a massive discount for lifetime access. Make sure guys that you check out the combo as well. The link is given in the description section below. There's a website where you get details about all these 4 different subscriptions. You can get into diligence, you can get into premium, or you can get into 100x, or you can get into all 3 using the combo offer. Again, the link is given in the description section below. And guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure that you drop a like. It will go a long way. You don't know, guys. And also, if you're new to the channel, then you should not forget that you need to smash that subscribe button so that you see more of me, and also ring the bell notification icon so that you can be notified whenever I put up another update. That's all, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep hustling.